This, ladies and gentlemen, are not the chocolate hills. This is chocolate ice cream. Now, we made it up about 3 minutes of uphill walking onto this nice viewing platform here in the center of Bohol, and you can see the chocolate hills behind me. Now, what makes these formations here so special? It's a few things. So this is limestone, mostly from foraminifera, which are essentially marine algae with a limestone skeleton, and they deposited this limestone, and this area was raised starting about 60 million years ago. And then from that point on, there was erosion here. And this is called a karst, which is a German word. And why is this so unusual and regular? So there are a few reasons. There's a little bit of wind now, actually, but not very much. And number two, you can see that this area is covered in a very dense vegetation, and there was probably more of that before humans got there. And the rainfall in this area of Bohol is very irregular. So the whole erosion of this region, of this limestone plateau, is very, very regular, in contrast to a lot of other karst formations in the rest of the world, and hence we have these very unique cones here. Now, you can probably tell that the chocolate hills now are green. They're not brown. And why is that? Well, we're in rainy season, so there's a lot of nice vegetation here. Whereas if you come here, during the middle of the year, the grass and the bushland will be dried out. It will be light brown, so this will be proper chocolate hills. So here you go.